What are the key points and factors to consider when choosing the right health insurance policy? Welcome back to the Plan Future Insight. I am Investment DADA, and today we are answering a question that protects both your health and your wealth. How do you choose the right health insurance policy? Let me break this down simply and clearly for you. First, let us talk about coverage amount, or sum insured. For metro cities, aim for at least 10 to 15 lakh rupees given today's rising medical costs. For families, a floater plan of 20 to 30 lakh rupees is advisable. Dada's rule is this: your health cover should equal at least 50 to 70% of your annual income. Second, you must read the fine print on inclusions and exclusions. What is covered includes hospitalization expenses like room rent, doctor fees, and nursing. Also covered are pre-hospitalization costs 30 to 60 days before admission, and post-hospitalization costs 60 to 180 days after discharge. Daycare procedures and ambulance charges are covered too. What is not covered initially includes pre-existing diseases, which have a waiting period. Cosmetic surgery and dental work are not covered unless accident-related. Self-inflicted injuries are also not covered. Now, waiting periods are a patient's test. The initial waiting period is typically 15 to 30 days. Specific disease waiting for things like cataract or hernia is 1 to 2 years. Rupees pre-existing disease waiting is 2 to 4 years. Rupees you must be aware of these when choosing a policy. Next, network hospitals matter for cashless treatment. Check the insurer's hospital network size. Major insurers now have over 10,000 hospitals across India. Cashless treatment saves you from paying out of pocket and waiting for reimbursement. This is a big advantage. Claim settlement ratio is your trust indicator. Look for a ratio above 90 to 95%. Top insurers like HDFC Ergo at about 97.6% and ICICI Lombard at about 96.8% led here. Dada's insight is this: a high claim settlement ratio means the insurer actually pays when you need them most. Then, be aware of co-payment, deductibles, and sublimits. These are hidden cost traps. County payment means you bear 10 to 20% of every claim. Deductible is a fixed amount you pay before the insurer steps in. Sublimits are caps on room rent, for example 1 to 2% of sum insured. Policies with no sublimits are far better. No claim bonus is a reward for staying healthy. Typically, you get a 5 to 10% increase in sum insured per claim-free year, up to 50 to 100% maximum. Some insurers offer premium discounts instead. Lifelong renewability is non-negotiable. Choose policies offering lifelong renewability. This is crucial for coverage in old age when you need it most. Entry age is typically 18 to 65 year rupees and children are covered from 90 days. Premium versus features: do not buy on price alone. For a 30-year-old, a 10 lakh rupee cover costs roughly 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per year. Compare features, not just price. The cheapest is not always the best. Here is a regulatory update. IRDAI's Bima Sugam is expected to be fully operational by December 2026. It is a one-stop digital platform to compare, buy, and service insurance policies. This is great news for transparency. Now, here is what you can do this week. Step 1. List current medical conditions for yourself and your family. This determines waiting periods. Step 2. Calculate your minimum sum insured as 50 to 70% of your annual income or 10 lakh rupees, whichever is higher. Step 3. Compare 3 to 4 insurers on claim settlement ratio above 95%, network hospitals above 5,000, and waiting periods. Choose the one with the lowest waiting periods for your age group. Dada's wisdom is this: health insurance is not an expense. It is your family's financial armor. A single hospitalization can wipe out a decade of SEEP savings. Buy it before you need it, because the day you need it, no one will sell it to you. Remember, investment in the equity market is subject to market risk. We do not claim any guarantee of return in equity-related investments. Past performance is not indicative of future results. You have the courage to ask the right questions. Now, go out there and build your future with confidence. This is Investment DADA, signing off. Until next time, stay wise and stay invested. Thanks and regards, Kaustav Bishwas from Plan Future, welcoming you to visit our website. Data and AI driven, your personal navigator and co-pilot for investment analysis.